Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of June, 2023. Here to talk about Litecoin today because over the last couple of trading days, I would say the last 6 trading days, the bulls and the market in Litecoin has done a great job bringing price right back up. You guys can see that currently price is down at the location to where I had our support area, or the point to where I would have to let this play go. So I did a price prediction in Litecoin on June the 4th. Here it is, the 26th, so 22 days later. The market in Litecoin did go down. Yeah, we didn't get that bullishness that we talked about on June the 4th. At least not yet. So let's go ahead and talk about this. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction first because I do not like it. It did not go in my favor, which happens, which is 8.76%. Either way it go, whether today or when the market in Litecoin emphatically broke it the next day when we created the price prediction. That kind of lets you know how weak the market is in Litecoin, right? But then the buyers, the bulls in the market in Litecoin came in like mid-June and did a successful job bringing it right back up to like $92. So let's see if they're going to continue to do that, because if so, then we're going to put on another prediction, look for the market in Litecoin to go up. Now, you guys can see during this time period here that Litecoin broke our trend line, right? What does it mean? Since we spent a couple of days outside of our trend line, it means that the market is not bullish. It's trading within a range. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create the range to which Litecoin has been trading. Okay. Which is around this vicinity. So this is the area, the trading channel, that Litecoin is currently hitting. Look at that. Okay. Now, this just simply tells us that we should not be massively bullish or massively bearish. This market is comfortable in trading in between these two lines. Okay. This is where the market currently finds an equilibrium. Here's Litecoin on the 2-day chart. And we're going to try to figure out, okay, is the market still bullish? You guys can see here, we did receive an indicator in the market in Litecoin, puts a go up bar. For the next 2 days, price came right back down, kind of pumped the brakes. Do you also see this too? Let me show you. Take a look at that. This market in Litecoin, even though we're trading within the trading channel, you guys can see how it is making lower highs in the market. Okay, keep that in mind. If the market truly is bullish, just like they did back in mid-June, like I told you earlier in the video, then they would definitely break this downtrend line to the upside. We would definitely see the price in Litecoin do that if the market is truly bullish. So I'm going to hold that line there because I want us to see how bullish the price is in Litecoin. Take a look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay, so looking at this on the 3-day perspective, I mean, we got another indicator of strength right there, puts a go up bar. So yeah, the prospects of us seeing price in Litecoin break above this downtrend line, which we've created just now, is pretty good from a 3-day perspective outside of this current 3 days. Look at that. Here's Litecoin to 5. Take a look. We got another indicator of strength on the 5-day time frame. We're just going through some selling right now. Take a look at Litecoin on the weekly. What do you think? Yes, we did see price close off the highs on the weekly price bar, which I'm letting you know now. That is simply telling us that sellers are there too. So I would think that looking at Litecoin on multiple time frames, the buyers needs to hold $80 in order for us to at least have the idea that price is still going to continue to go up. Okay, here it is on the 5-weekly chart. These two 5-weekly price bars, which total is 10 weeks, indicates a probability of strength right there. These two. So meaning that on this current 5-weekly price bar, we need to see the market run up. Got to see it in order for us to maintain the idea that the market is truly in here buying. Okay, because that's what it looks like. It looked like the market right now over the last, what, 25 weeks, that they've been accumulating, that they've been buying this cryptocurrency, because they're looking for the market to trend higher. That's what they're looking forward to. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame. So here it is. We have, what, 4 days, the last trading week this week. And we want to see the price in Litecoin close up here at the high of the bar. If that occurs, then yeah, at least on the monthly time frame, we're looking for price to go higher from that time frame as well too. Let me show you all the 6 months. So this is the price chart for Litecoin on the 6 months time frame. We really haven't seen too much in terms of price action, i.e. the spread. The last two, which is inclusive of this current 6 monthly price bar, look how small those spread bars are, but the volume has been increasing on every 6 month price bar. Look at that. So the market here in Litecoin is accumulating. So what's going on? So let me go ahead and do this and I'll be through. Let me look at this on the hourly time frame first. Look at this on the 13. Look at this on the 7. $330 minute price chart. Do 210. Okay. All right, so let me do this. I'm going to play some strength into the market in Litecoin. And like I said, we need to allow the buyers to come in and confirm to us that they're willing to continue to buy Litecoin around $80. We need to see that. So let's go ahead and spin this over to the right a little bit. And we've already know, I've told you already that this downtrend line could be a problem for those buyers. Okay. So if we don't see the market in Litecoin break above this downtrend, then it's something we need to talk about. We need to say, all right, cool. The market ran its course. The market is no longer seeing value at 92, maybe $94.13, and then the market will come back down. And then the market will have another opportunity, the buyers, to come in and hold what? $84, then no lower than 80, to attempt to try to break this downtrend line again at a later date. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. My first target is 92, which is 4.5% move to the upside in Litecoin there. My second target is going to be around like $95.25. $95, 8.21%. I might just do those two targets. I'm not really too convinced that price in Litecoin is really that bullish. We'll do a third target of 100. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.